Hey there, today we're going to show you how to design your very own YouTube profile picture. This is a very simple design and anybody can do it. I am doing this on Canva, and if you don't have Canva, I recommend trying it out. It is a free app online. You can also download it on your mobile phone. If you're interested, you can use the link down below. If not, just go straight to canva.com. In this example here, you can see this is a simple uh, profile picture. It's in a circle and it's like a nice background. To do this is very simple. If you have a picture of yourself, then you're already at a good start. If you don't, then you can also use cartoons, you can use your Bitmojis, you can do a lot of things that you may be scared to do, right? And I think if you're able to add a YouTube profile picture, it does enhance your identity. Your audience will remember who you are. So what I did there is just click on create a design, and the sizing right now is 1,000 by 1,000. You can change that anytime. If you do have a pro account, you can resize it. And so here you have, as you can see, it is just like a blank page. So what you can do is start finding a pattern that you like or a color. So just click on this background and change the color to something along the lines of a blue, right? This is very, very popular blue that a lot of brands use. And then in order to get that frame in that circle, what you would need to do is search for the word frame in the elements bar up top. Searching the search bar gives you like results here, and then click on that frames, see all. And now you can put your photo in a circle, put your photo in like a square. You can put it in an iMac or a laptop, even an iPad. And as you scroll down, you'll see there's like plenty of shapes that you can look at, even stamps. What we're going to go with today, there's also a letter here, but what we're doing today is just really simple. I would just scroll back up and use the circle. So as you see here, the circle is very small. Just go ahead and click on that and drag the corners. This will change the size. You can make it way smaller or like bigger. So once you do that, you just click out of the box and then click back on here and move this around. So the beauty of Canva is that it has the alignment for you, so you can just center it easily. If you don't know, you can also do the position and just do like middle center, and that should be it because it's already in the middle. But if not, you click on position and click on center, and that's really easy. So now all you need is a photo of yourself. You can upload it. These are a bunch of AI art that I did, so don't mind that craziness there. But if you can upload your own photo, you can drag an image in, just like so. So let me see if I can find one. This one's of Miley Cyrus. I might just add her. It's a drawing of Miley Cyrus that I generated. As you can see here, this is a very decent profile picture. It's very easy. You just crop it out and have it done. If you don't like that, what you can do is also change the background, like you saw in the example here. Changing a background on Canva is really easy as well. You just go back into your elements, close out this search on frame, and search for a background that you might like. So if you do know, like let's say you like flowers, right? That's her, a new song of hers. Go and look at graphics and see if there's any backgrounds that you might like. If not, look at the photos. This one's really cool, so I'm gonna drag that on over and put it in the background. So now from far away, you'll see that, oh, hey, my picture's on like a field of flowers. If you don't like it, you can change it. There's like more recommendations here. Just drag that over. As you can see, there's um, so many possibilities. And even so, I'm seeing like some cool flowers that I can add onto this image, right? I can add this set of flowers right here. Whoops, just go ahead and drag that up, and that's like a border for my flower set. If you want a frame, you can add that too. There's so many options here, but one thing I do recommend is being really careful of your profile image, like the image of yourself. So what you can do, let me see if I can find a photo that might be good. So let's do a photo uh, of a person. Um, let's do a man. Oops, if I can type man. So okay, so let's do this guy uh, in the suit right here. He doesn't really match, but we're gonna double click on him and then drag him down so he fits into the circle. As you can see, this is very like strange, right? Because from far away, you're just seeing a guy in a suit and the background, the flowers don't match. So what we would do is make sure that we can see him properly or see yourself properly. Drag the corners out again, and then you can move the photo down by dragging and then clicking outside. And then as you zoom out, you can see, okay, this is a good profile picture. Maybe take out the flowers, right? If this is, he looks really professional, so we'll take that out. And maybe take out the background image as well. So just click on the background and press delete on your keyboard and it'll go away. So now you have the colored background. If you want it back to white, you can change it to white. If not, you can choose any color that they have available here. All you need to do is go up to the color box and then click on the plus sign, and then you can move around until you find something that you like. So I think navy is pretty good for this guy. And that's pretty much it. This is really simple and really easy. I started doing this to my LinkedIn profile back in the day on Photoshop. This is much quicker and easy, and I can change my image anytime. I don't need professional editing, right? If you're looking for ideas on how to edit your image itself, go ahead and click on this image right here and click Edit Image. Here you're able to add the brightness, right? You can do some of the facetune stuff, change the brightness, change the contrast, saturation. Maybe you want to make it black and white, right? That's something that people do nowadays. All right, black and white. You can even add some filters on top or some like crazy stuff here. You can change it to like a mosaic, add some different colors. Um, do automatic face retouch. So if you're not that confident, then you can use this if you like. Um, I just love using Canva because it's quick and easy and it's free. So let me know down below if you're finding this video helpful. If not, let me know what you use to edit your profile picture. If you just crop it out and if you're happy with that.